Prism 11 delivers our most powerful and advanced updates yet for working with multiple variables data. Available in our new Prism Pro and Prism Enterprise plans. You can now create new variables with spreadsheet-style formulas directly inside multiple variables tables. No need to run separate analysis elsewhere. This saves significant time in everyday data prep and keeps your projects organized. Select an empty variable and type equals to start a formula. You can quickly perform simple operations or build more complex calculations by chaining functions and operators. Formulas operate on entire variables at once, not cell by cell, and update automatically whenever source data changes. Each formula has a help card with more information available in our user guide. Prism 11 now has Multifactor ANOVA, which can handle any number of factors in a single analysis. One way through n way, all from the same multiple variables table. Each row is an observation. Each column is a variable. Add or remove factors without restructuring your data. Simply assign your response and grouping variables, and Prism handles the rest. You can define interactions and run multiple comparisons, all from the same table. Whether you're studying attendance, behavior, or gene expression across multiple factors, Prism gives you the flexibility modern research demands. You can now run t-tests, nonlinear regression, and Kaplan-Meier survival analysis directly from your multiple variables table. No restructuring required. As an example, here's how to run a survival analysis. Simply drag your status, time, and grouping variables into the analysis roles, and Prism does the rest. Your survival curves and statistics appear instantly right alongside your data. Prism now automatically calculates and reports effect sizes you previously had to compute manually. Alongside your p-values, you'll see standardized metrics like eta squared, partial eta squared, and Cohen's F, so you know not just whether an effect exists, but how large and meaningful it is. Simply check Report Effect Sizes in the Options tab when setting up your analysis, and Prism calculates everything automatically. You'll now see standardized effect sizes like Cohen's D and Hedges G reported automatically alongside your results. No extra tools, no manual calculations. Everything journals and reviewers expect is already there. Let's look at what's new in Prism Cloud. Previously, uploading to Prism Cloud required the desktop application. Now, you can either publish files to Prism Cloud from the desktop app or upload Prism files to Prism Cloud directly from your browser. Perfect for quick file sharing, remote work, or computers without Prism installed. Available with any Prism Cloud subscription. Content managers can now move, delete, restore, and organize any project or folder without accessing sensitive admin settings or billing, letting scientists focus on research. No more choosing between full admin access or basic permissions. All of these features are available with Prism 11.